Hey friends, Mary here, and first of all, thank you so much for joining this webinar. Okay, so today we're going to talk about xFunnels version 3.0. So in today's webinar, we'll talk about the functionalities, the new features which we have added, and the bugs we had, which are fixed now, the new templates, the new preset blocks, and we'll talk about some amazing new features which we have never announced earlier. So we're gonna announce it in today's webinar. Okay, perfect. So I think we'll take a couple of seconds. We'll wait for that. We'll wait for some more people to join this webinar, and after that we'll start this. Okay. So all right. So let me show you. Let me give you a brief introduction about. Let me give you a brief introduction of Mintware dashboard. So this is my login screen. Okay, we have this centralized login screen for all the products which we have in Mintware suite. So this is my login ID and password. I just click here to log in. Here we go. So what is this? This is the dashboard for all the like combined apps. This is the dashboard for all apps we have in Mintware. Okay, so we have xFunnels, we have Zcart, we have MeetZippy, we have HQ Webinar, we have AberZippy, and we have Coach Zippy. So as you know, xFunnels is all about making sales pages, making your sales funnels, and making different kind of funnels. All right, and Zcart is all about it's a 360-degree platform for sales and marketing. So if you are a newbie or you are an expert marketer, okay, and you need a platform to create your sales page, you need a platform to create your checkout processes, you need a platform where you can manage your coupons, your checkout templates, you can manage your affiliates, you can invite affiliates. So you need a centralized marketplace for like to acquire affiliates for your launch or for your like to promote your product. So Zcart is all about like creating sales page to checkout page, adding payment processors, and using your currency. If you don't have a PayPal, you can use wallet, and it's all about generating leads and sales and money. Okay, and MeetZippy is all about creating courses, recording videos, having online conferences, like hosting mastermind sessions, and HQ Webinar is all about hosting live webinars. And now Everzippy. So this platform, which is being used right now, is Everzippy. This is the platform for live webinars. This is the live webinar. I'm here. I'm with you right now. Okay, I'm just managing chatting. I'm replying your questions by this live chat here, and this video which I have recorded, right? This video is not live. This is the recorded video, but it gives you a feel that this webinar is live. So you can ask me anything. I can pitch a CTA. I can have a live like polling like this. Okay, and the what is Coach ZP? So as many people know about membership platforms, which we have added later after the launch of xFunnels, we added this membership feature in our xFunnels because our user actually they asked us that we should have a membership platform, like membership feature in xFunnels. So we added it later after the launch. So basic functionality of membership we had earlier in xFunnels version 2.0, but you cannot find it in version 3.0 because what we are doing right now, we are creating a separate platform for membership, like website, because membership sites have a lot of potential. About memberships can make you a very, very good money. and we need to have a platform where you can actually create your amazing membership website, your awesome courses, and awesome kind of checkout processes and all. So let's say if you have a Coach Zippy, in Coach Zippy you would be able to do things like you do in Teachable or Everlesson. So you can create your school, you can create your curriculum, you can create your chapters, courses, and chapter under courses. You can create your, you can upload your videos, and you can create Q&A sessions, quizzes, and so many things. Plus you have a very amazing user interface of Coach Zippy. I will give you the demo of Coach Zippy by the end of this week, but I'm sure you're gonna love it. And Coach, the basic functionality which we had earlier in xFunnels version 2.0, we are going to add those functionality, basic functionality in xFunnels of Coach Zippy. But if you want to use the whole Coach Zippy platform, you can get an upgrade. Okay, so don't get freaked out about you have to buy Coach Zippy for using membership platform, membership creating membership website. No, the basic functionality of Coach Zippy will be available in xFunnels for free. But if you want to use the complete Coach Zippy for creating your multiple courses, or you wanna have a multiple different kind of uh, multiple schools, then you can upgrade. Okay, but one school you can create in xFunnels, and you can create different courses under one school that would be available in xFunnels like earlier. Perfect. So this is the centralized dashboard for the Mintware, where you can see how many funnels you have, what is the gross revenue you generated, and how many total opt-in leads you got via xFunnels. And Zcart, this is the total number of products you have, number of revenue, total customers, and in MeetZP you have total rooms, total revenue, total recordings. And in HQ webinar, how many live webinars you have, how many total registrants, how many attendees you got, all those information. And in EverZP, you have number of webinars, revenue, and registrants. In CoachZP, it would be added later, because right now this is not active. It would be live by end of this week. So let's talk about xFunnels. You can read about xFunnels by click on this eye icon here. You can see it is a cloud-based software that allows you to set up a series of web pages referred to as a funnels. So you can click on this access button. Once you click on this, you are here on this dashboard of xFunnels. So let's talk about this new dashboard. Okay, so this is your name. You can change your image from your profile setting. This is the date you signed up on. This is the license you own, and how many total funnels you have created. What is the total revenue you generated till now, and how many pages you have right now. What are the total views and total opt-ins? Okay, and these are the recent activities which you have done or which are happening right now on your funnels or pages, right? And this is the recent opt-ins and revenue. You can click on refresh always, and you can see the real-time revenue or sales. This tiny bar in the bottom, you can see how many steps you are left with the proper onboarding. And this is the menu. You have app integrations, my domains, my leads, reseller management, and become affiliate. So we'll talk about it, right? And this is the tutorial. So as you know, when we released xFunnels 2.0, I mean 1.0, there was an issue with the tutorials. We didn't have the proper tutorials, and it was a chaos. I know, but later we created some awesome videos, and we created some tutorials. But this time we decided to have a proper knowledge base. So we have created a centralized knowledge base for all our products, which are live right now. So we have xFunnels, Zcart, MeetZP. So you click on learn more of xFunnels, and you see the detailed detailed tutorials of xFunnels here. So app integrations, there are nine other articles available: how to connect Infusionsoft, how to connect Benchmark, how to connect Aweber. And I'll give you an example how to connect Aweber autoresponder with xFunnels. So the kind of tutorial we have right now, it's kind of step-by-step tutorial. So you have step one, log into xFunnels, and step two, click over menu icon like this, okay, menus, and click on app integrations, click on autoresponders, click on Aweber, and click on connect icon here. And then you have to enter app name, app key, and connect with the Aweber. And that's very easy to do. You can do it like in just few clicks. So we have explained it in a very like easy way, and how to integrate Stripe or PayPal, how to manage your page loader setting. So let's say you click on this, and if you just noticed one thing, we have actually added a video underneath the, every tutorial, so you can click on this video and you can watch it. So we have recorded this kind of video that you can actually see how to do this. If you're not able to understand by these steps, but we so no problem, no worries, you can actually click on the video and you can see the video we have actually created for you to make you understand easily. Okay, so many people actually asked me, like, it's like more than 10 months, 9 months, what you guys have been doing. So this is what we've been doing from last couple of months. We've been making recording videos, we've been making tutorials, we've been making this amazing platform, and it takes time actually, right? So this is a centralized system for all kind of knowledge base, all kind of help. So this is like how many users we have right now, how many, what is the status of this product. So you'll find everything by on this centralized support system. What else? This is a dashboard, this is the tutorial, these are the menus. What else? So let me show you these. When you are here on this dashboard, you will find this back icon in all the products. It means you can go to the Mintware dashboard. So if you click on this, you'll be landed on the Mintware dashboard. This is the centralized dashboard for all the products, and you see here this tiny bar, and you have these links, and these links: app integrations, my domains, my leads, become affiliate, webhooks and tokens. So you click on app integrations and you see the centralized app integration system, the centralized my domains system, the centralized lead system. So what does it mean? What is centralized leads, and what is centralized domains, and what is centralized integrations? So centralized integrations, when I'm saying centralized, it means you just have to connect your apps once, like you connect your PayPal account once, right? You connect your Stripe account once, and this would be available in all your products. Let's say you are in Zcart, so you don't have to connect your PayPal for Zcart separately or for xFunnels separately. You just have to connect once, and your PayPal account will be available in all the products which you own. Okay, so that means the centralized system. And how this centralized domain works, the same thing. You have to just connect your domain once, and it would be available in all your products. So let's say if you want to create a funnel and you want to use a custom domain for your funnel, that's very easy to do that. You can just connect your domain, centralized domain here, and you can use it in xFunnels or Zcart or HQ Webinar or EverZP, right? And in MeetZP as well for books. Book.me, right? So as well as this lead system is also centralized. So let's say you got some leads from xFunnels or Zcart or EverZP or MeetZP or HQ Webinar or CoachZP. So you will be able to get all the leads at centralized place with the proper source name, with the proper funnel name, and you can see the proper detail of this funnel. Of this lead, that what was the time and date, what was the IP and location, You can see the page name and the funnel name and the funnel type and all the information you can see here. Okay, so this centralized lead system, gives you functionality. Gives you the leverage to download your all data in CSV format, in Excel format, and you can delete everything by just one click. So it we have done it as per the GDPR policies that your data belongs to you. We don't own it. You own it, and you have all the rights to download it or delete it or do whatever you want to do with your data. So we don't have any hold on your data. If you delete it, it will be deleted forever. If you'll ask us, we won't be able to give you the backup for that. So please make sure that if you are deleting your data, it will be deleted forever. Okay. All right. So now we'll talk about xFunnels a bit more. Here we go. I'm going to click on this My Funnels and Pages link. So this is the page which you're gonna use more often when you are working with the xFunnels. Okay. So now we'll start with the search feature. Okay. If you want to search about what like email, you search email and you will find all the funnels related to this keyword email, and it works on the real time, no refresh, nothing like that. You can just delete it, and it would be like all data. If you don't like this grid layout which we have right now, we have these action buttons for editing steps, cloning, deleting, or settings or stats. How many steps you have in this funnel, how many steps are remaining, and you can get your link from here. Okay. If you don't like this grid layout, you have this option to change the layout from grid to list. So this is the list layout. The same thing you can do in the list layout. You can copy the funnel URL, you can change the settings or stats, delete, cloning, and steps, the created date, and the name of your funnel, and what kind of funnel you have created. So that's it, right? Now I like this grid layout, by the way. So one more feature we have right now here is importing funnels, xFunnels, funnel, and page. Okay, so most of the people are confused with by these features. They just think this is the import page feature actually. No, this is not the import page feature. This is import xFunnels, pages, and funnels. So let's say one of your friend who created a funnel in xFunnels, or who created a page in xFunnels, and you want to use the same page or funnel for your own products or launches. So what you can do, you can ask him for the code, because the code is available with every funnel. So let's say you click on the setting and stats, and you'll find all the settings and everything. So this is the funnel code. He has to just copy this from here, and he can share with you. So once you got this code, what you can do, you can just click on this import like a button, and you can use this code here and click on the import funnel. As soon as you click on this button, the whole funnel which your friend created will be imported into xFunnels. When I'm saying funnel created, means funnel created on xFunnels, not on any other platform or any other website. I'm talking about just xFunnels. Okay. All right. The next feature we have right now is funnels and pages. So you can sort your, or you can filter your pages or funnels separately. So let's say you want to create a page, you click on page, and you can create a page now. All right. So let's say you don't want to create a funnel, but you just want to create a bonus page, or kind of opt-in page, or kind of sales page with a different cart feature. You want to use some let's say you want to use some other cart, some Thrive cart or something, right? And you don't need a whole funnel here, you just need a page. So what you can do, you can click on the pages, and then you can choose your you can click here to create a new page, and it would just allows you to it will allow you to create a page instead of funnel. Okay. All right. Then you can use your some other third party cart feature, or other all those features, and you can actually move forward. Perfect. Now I'm going to show you how to create a funnel. So the very basic question and very basic query we get from our users, how to create a connecting funnel or connecting pages, right, with each other. So like steps, so let's say opt-in page, and then like one download page or thank you page. So yeah, I'll show you how you can do all those functionality or features, and how you can create this kind of funnel. So we'll start with the sales funnel. So we have these 8 kind of funnels here: sales funnel, product launch, membership, email, live webinar, replay webinar. We have added these 2 funnels from our side, which is like crowdfunding and e-commerce. So this is new feature of X funnels version 3.0. This was not in version 2.0. If you want to create kind of crowdfunding funnel, so let's say you work with an NGO, or with some kind of, you want to raise funds for some kind of social cause, so you can have your crowdfunding funnel, right? It works pretty well with Zcart, because in Zcart we have the functionality of accepting payments, like as you want. So like, you connected your PayPal account, and you provides a feature that you can pay minimum $5 till as you want. So let's say somebody wants to pay $21, or $30, or 45 dollars. He can just type 45 and can pay. So that functionality of Zcard works pretty good with crowdfunding. And then we have e-commerce. So it works normally, like you can create a sales page and product page, and then you can connect your like basic functionality of checkout page. All right. So we'll start with the sales funnel now. After clicking here, now we are here. Okay. I'm going to enter the name. So demo of sales funnel. Here we go. I can choose a logo, I can choose tags, or I can enter the web address. So let's say funnel.zcard.com. Click on the next. Funnel has been created successfully. Now we are on this page where you can see we have these steps. So we have completed our funnel 75%. We are at level where we are just one step behind to go live. So what is this last step? So as you can see, we have these 5 steps funnel here. Now you don't want this order form on the top. You want this order form like here in the bottom, and you want this opt-in on the top. So you can just drag it and drop it here, and you can drag it and drop it here. You can drop this thank you page here, or you can drop this order confirmation here. Here we go. Now we have opt-in, then we have sales, then we have order form, then we have order confirmation, and then we have thank you page. So this is the final steps, and it saves it automatically. You don't have to click on any save button. It works automatically. As soon as you are moving content, you see the green updated here. It works pretty good. So you don't have to worry about saving your steps. As soon as whenever you just drag it and drop it, as like it saves automatically. Now, one most interesting feature I'm going to show you right now is adding step, or creating a down sell. So if you know about the down sell, what is that? What is down sell? I'm sure most of the people know about it, but for the people who don't know about what is a down sell, let me tell you one thing. Let's say I'm just selling a kind of a product, like cell phone. I'm selling a cell phone, okay, and I'm selling cell phone, like kind of access, okay, and if it is for my user, if it is expensive, or I don't like the size of the XS, like user will just go to the cross button to just close the page, or to just close it for like not interested kind of thing. Then it will just a pop-up will occur to say like, okay, if you don't like in XS, I have like phone X. Okay, I can show you the features of X in the pop up. Like, and we can just like ask our users to click on the button. Then we can just divert those users to downsell page, which is, let's say your phone was for $100, and now this is the phone which you can get for $70, but this has small screen and has have some like a bit less features. You must be interested in that. So that's how we can convert more people who are not interested in our product, who can be interested in other product, right? And so that's what we call a downsell. And in this downsell, how to create this downsell in xFunnels, you can click on this ads tab, let's say, and this is the downsell phone X. Okay, create tab. You see this step has been added underneath here, and you can just drag it and drop it. Just let's say you want to create this as a downsell of sales page. Now what else you can do, you just have to click on this make it downsell button here. So I'm just going to explain all these buttons in this demo, but before that I just want to show you this downsell button and this downsell feature. Okay, you click on this button and it will ask you, do you want to make downsell of step sales? So I will say yes. If I'll say no, it won't, it will just keep it as it is. If I'll just click on the yes button, it will create it as a downsell. You see this downsell, this red icon, red line means this is a downsell of this page. All right. And now when you click on this like downsell, this upsell button, it will be like upsell. It won't be a downsell anymore. So this is how you can create a downsell. But before moving forward, I want to show you the other buttons, other action buttons. So this is for the make it downsell. This button is for make it upsell. When you are in a downsell step, it will be converted to upsell, and in the normal steps it shows as a downsell. We have downsell settings. So let's say what kind of content you want to show for users, to your users for this downsell. Let's say I'm talking about kind of pop-up setting. What would be the like heading? What would be the title? What would be the image? Or you can edit that pop-up in the on the like sales page in the builder. I'll show you how to do that. The next action button is import shared page. So what is import shared page? If you remember, couple of minutes back, I just showed you the feature of importing xFunnels pages and funnels. This is the same feature. So click on this and you can enter a sales page code which you have already created in some other funnels, or your friend actually created, or we as a like Mintware created, and we share these exclusive pages with you as a bonus or as something else. So you can actually use those codes here to import those pages in your funnel. All right. So that's how we gonna sell the very premium sales pages and funnels in a marketplace which we are working on right now. So we'll talk about it later, but this is how you can import your page, okay, in any funnel of xFunnels. The next step is share page. So what is share page? This is the it works. It's either way. So you want to share this page with someone else. So you can copy this code and you can share it. So user can click here and paste it here, and this page will be imported for this step. I hope I'm making sense, right? All right. This feature is a clone step. So what is clone step? Clone step is a feature, means this whole step will be cloned. So let's say you want to have two order forms. You can click on clone step. It will ask you yes, and you just say yes, and this page will be duplicated, will be added, additional, call order form copy. You see this? And you want to delete this step, you can click on delete and say yes, and this step will be deleted. All right, this it's very easy to use, very user friendly. And the next step is page setting. So what is page setting? Page setting shows you the page slug. This is the page URL. This is the page name, and this is the page slug. If you remember, we discussed it a lot in our group. So if you wanna have a kind of uh, custom page with a custom slug, you can do that now. Okay, you can change your slug like this is a demo, and you can have this slug, and you can use dashes here if you wanna use. It won't accept spaces or some special characters, but it will accept just dashes or underscores. Okay, you can update it from here, or you can close it. Now we have understood about how to manage steps. We have understood about how to create a downsell, how to create upsell. So every step, this is the home screen of our funnel opt-in. The next step is sales page. So this is the second step of this, and this is the downsell of sales. This is the next step of sales. This is the next step of order confirmation, I mean order form. This is the next step of order confirmation. So this is a series of pages. Now how to manage, like how to choose templates. So what is the funnel name? What is the funnel URL which we have used? So let me just check. Let me just go back my funnels pages. I forgot what keyword I used to create my custom domain. So it was a demo of sales page. I click on this and it's funnel.zcard.com. Okay, perfect. You can copy it from here as well. So let's see what it looks like. Funnel.zcard.com is 404. Why is it 404? Because right now we have not selected or any template. So I'm just going to click on edit steps again. And now you click on this tiny downside button. You can click on that, and now you will see this whole section. So what this section does, now I'll show you. Right now you can choose template for your page. So click on choose template. And if you know already, we have created amazing, awesome templates for you. And these templates are premium. I can bet you cannot find these kinds of template in any existing page builder. Either it can be unbound, or it can be ClickFunnels, or it can be any page builder or funnel builder. The kind of templates which we have created are really premium templates. And these templates are designed in-house by our own designers. And these templates are responsive for iPad, for tablets, for mobile phone, and for computer, for desktop devices. Okay, so we have amazing templates, and we will keep adding those templates every week. That's the promise, that's the commitment we have made with ourselves. So we'll keep adding these templates here, and you can choose any template. Let's go with this template. I like this template personally, or you can go with this. All right, let's go with this. Select template. Here we go. So we have selected a variation A, and now you want to use a variation B. What is this split test? What is that? So let's say, for most of the people don't know about A/B testing. So let me tell you how it works. Whenever we launch a product, so this is like I have already launched multiple products in the past, like 2 years, 3 years, and generated millions of dollars in the revenue. From the last 1 year, I've been working on this suite Mintware, and today we have reached at the level where we are about to go public for like on subscription model. So we are going to make it monthly subscription, basis, that if you want to use our products, you can use our whole suite. Products are connected with each other. So let's say we need to have a sales page for launching a product. So you have created a sales page here, but what if some people they don't like this page? So let's say some people don't like the content on this page, the headline of this page. So you are losing traffic, you are losing actually sales. So for this, what you can do, you can create a variation. So how this variation works, you click on this click variation. So when you click on this create variation button, you will find these templates again. You can choose another template like like this template. Select this template. Okay. And now once you have created variation A or variation B, you will see these two links here, A and B, and you want to see the kind of preview of these pages. So you can see from here, and you can refresh this page here. Once you have refreshed funnel.zcar.com, it will show you the first preview of your funnel at the first page, and this one is the variation B. So this is the variation B which you have here right now. This is the variation A, and now if you have started split test, you can divert your traffic. You wanna have, okay, I just want to send 70% people on on this page, and like 30% people on this page. Let me just make it 30% people on this page. So you can send 30% of your traffic on this page and 70% traffic on this page, or you can make it 50-50. So 50-50 is always a great idea to send your traffic, because it gives you the proper, the exact kind of a variation, kind of confidence score. So you will find, okay, this, the 30% people are liking this, or 70% people are liking this. So you will understand that which page is converting more, which page is getting you more sales or more opt-ins. So you can choose that particular page as a winner. So you can click here and declare as a winner. So once you have clicked on this button, declared as a winner, and other page will be deleted, I mean will be disabled, and your this page will be set to get 100% traffic on the selected winner page. Okay. What else you see here is a zero visitor right now, because there's no visitor, because your funnel is not live yet. Once you click on finish, it will be live. Okay. How many contacts you got, what is the conversion ratio. So you get this, and if you want to change the template, or you want to see the preview, or you want to edit the page, you can do that. But before moving forward, I'm just going to show you how to like start split. You just click on this, or you can delete it from here. You just click on this and variation will be deleted. So you don't have any variation, you just have a kind of just one page. It takes a couple of seconds, so please wait. Okay, here we go. So now you have just variation A. Now if you want to change, edit this page, okay, let me just click on the edit page. So this is our xFunnels Builder version 3.0. What are the new features? If you remember, if you have seen the Builder 1.0 and Builder 2.0, and now you can see the Builder 3.0, it's like east or west. It's like completely different. So you see, this is our new builder, which is more smarter. It's faster. It's optimized. It's intuitive. Right now you can see we have a amazing bar here, which you can move from here to anywhere. Let's say you are working here on something, so you can just move it here, or if you're working here, you can move it here. And that's how you can just move this bar like a Photoshop, or like other softwares in your operating system, and it is on web. So you see, you can move it. Okay. What are these things? So these are the blocks. We call them blocks. This one line, which you can like you can move. If you want to add one more field here, you can do it very easily. Just move it a bit down and click on any element. You can just change the position. You can just If you can clone it as well, you just click on the clone button. Or if you don't want to clone it, you can just add one more text field from here, text input. Okay, so click on this, the first one, and go to the setting and change the title as name and assign a field type as full name. That's it. We're good to go. Now you can change the design of this. If you don't want, if you want to like you have just made it like this, and you want to have everything say, like on center, you can select multiple things together, and you can use this align vertically, and then you can use this as well to just set all objects in the on the center of the page. But you don't need on the center, so you can move things together, and you can see, you can make them on the center of this section, right? That's very easy. And I bet you cannot do this in xFunnels, I mean, in ClickFunnels or any other platform which you are using or you must have used in the past. Okay, so combined together. Okay, awesome. Now, before moving forward, I want to show you this amazing responsiveness thing. So this is the desktop. You see this whole desktop thing. You click on the this device, and this is the new feature, new field we have added. So if it is not looking at as per your requirement, that's no problem. You can just scroll it a bit down. You can make it scroll it. You can change it, and you can put it here. That's it. That's the only fix you just had to do. And if you want to put the whole all objects in the center, so what you can do, you can select things together, everything, and click on the center of the page and aligned vertically and center of the page. So you can do that. And if you want to just change the position of your logo, you can do that very easily. That's not the problem at all, because it's easy drag and drop. It's very easy drag and drop. In the other platforms, it's very difficult to position your things. And if you see the backend background image is looking a bit, like vibrant in more contrast, so your content is just being hidden here. So what you can do, you can click on the like empty space, and you have this bar which shows you the name of your block and what is the size of your this particular block. You want to move it up or you move it down. You want to manage backgrounds, so click on manage backgrounds. If you want to change the image, which I'm sure you don't want to, but if you want to, click on the image icon, and you can upload your own image from here, or go to the stock images and you can search workstation. So many people actually, there are a couple of people who are kind of, like have complaining attitude. They are asking, they've been asking like, okay, you mentioned millions of images on your sales page. Where are those images? Dude, you have millions of images, royalty free images, which you can use, and it's like ultra HD images. You see 5760 by 3840. It's all images are ultra high definition images, ultra HD images. So you can use these images, but we have given an option. So let's say you want to use this image. Okay, you click on this, you click on insert and crop. So we ask you to crop the image. What this cropping does, this cropping actually just optimize this whole image, because this image is ultra HD image. So it can make our page a bit slower if we'll use it as it is. So it is never recommended to use ultra HD images for your website or for your web pages, but you can crop it. It will just make it optimized, and click on the confirm button, and the image will be changed in the background. But still your content is not being displayed properly, because your image has the similar identical color as you have in your elements. So what you can do, no problem, you first of all you can change the background position. So you want to have a background image in the bottom or top or left or right, you can change the position of your image like this, or you just go, like scroll, make it parallax on, so it will be parallax. What is parallax? Parallax is a very amazing feature. So like right now you are scrolling your page, the content and background image is being scrolled together, but if you put it on, Now when you scroll your page, the image will be fixed and the content will be scrolled. It gives a very 3D feel, right? But nothing is being displayed properly. What else you can do? Let me show you an amazing feature. We call it overlay setting. So in the overlay setting, you can just choose any color. Let's say, let's choose a white color, okay? And now you can choose a gradient mode as well. I'll show you how this gradient mode works. But before that, I'll show you the overlay opacity will be increased. So image will be a lighter and your content is visible properly. You see that? This is an amazing feature. And when you are doing this, it will be available for your desktop, for your mobile, and for your iPad. But the content which you have changed the position, you see the position you have changed, you made it in the center. It won't be in the center of your desktop. Only the content which should be changed will be changed. That's why I said in starting that we have a smarter builder. So when I'm saying smarter, it means the builder understands what content should not be changed, or what content should be changed for all the devices. Do you understand what I mean? Perfect. Now I go to the mobile. If you don't have anything like things are not looking as per your expectation, no problem. You can just do it. It's just a few seconds job. You can just make it scroll, just do it, and bingo, here we go. And there are many people who just ask, complain about all these things. See, look, the content which you have added will be managed for all the devices one time, then it will be available like that. That's it. By default, all the templates are responsive. We have done it for you. We have spent so many like hours on this for making these templates, like months, right? And if you want to add something, you have to just spend couple of seconds, couple of minutes, and it would be like as good as you want. All right. And next thing is you want to add a video. Right now you don't have a video here, and you want to have a border around this or some kind of shadow effect. So you can do all those things. You just transform it. You can do some settings. If you want to place some image around this inside this box, you can do that. Or you want to have some kind of background color, you want to change it, you can do that. Or you have the border settings. So you want to have border color, let's say the blue color. Okay, the blue is the most used color here in this template, and you can change it constant corners, but you want to have the constant corners. You make it solid and make it like 5 pixel, a bit round. Color is a bit more vibrant, so make it a bit lighter. Or a bit like this, okay? Perfect. Or if you don't want to use this kind of border, you can just make it none from here. That's it. And you can add a shadow. So you can use a darker shade here, okay? And you can make it like 10%, 10%, and then make it more blur. You see the content? I mean the shadow, like behind the box. Okay. Now, if you want to have a couple of more settings like arrange, like you want to have something like this text, you want to show like this, or let me show you one thing. You want to show this text or this button like this. This is an amazing feature like this. Okay. But for this, you want to just like make this button in the background of in the backside of this box. So you have this option. We call it what we call it? We call it arrange. So click on arrange and make it like background and make it like front end. So you can do all those settings like this. Okay. And I just did some chaos, so I will just undo. Undo works pretty good here. So if you want to undo few things, you can do that very easily. All right, that's not the problem at all. And like this, so we undo things. Undo works pretty good, or redo works pretty good. So in version 2.0 we had this issue in the undo redo, but it's in the newer version we don't have an issue. What else we have right now? We have this. I will just close this. We have this preset blocks option. What does this preset block do? What is preset block? So as I told you, if you remember, we call this portion a preset. I mean a block. Okay, this is a block 2. This is a block 3. This is a block 4, block 5, and so on, right? And I want to add one more block here, which I can use. So go to the preset block. You have these amazing categories here. Let's say you want to have a call to action block. So choose call to action and add book the demo today. I like this. Use this block here, inserted, and you see this block has been added here. But you want to have it here just underneath the block 1. So what you can do, you choose this, click on move up, and move up. Here we go. But you want it one more step up. Just a moment. Here we go. So now we have this amazing parallax effect. You see this effect? This amazing parallax effect, and this block here and this block here. You see how easy is it to make a template, a page in xFunnels version 3.0. So you can like add a block with the proper input field and button. I will show you how to you connect your autoresponder and other things to accept the leads. But before that, I would like to show you the other features, like how to add a video on this page. So click on the video. You see the video has been added here, and you can easily drag it and make it a bit bigger. And now you want to just put some kind of like border, so you can do the same thing which I've just discussed with you. Make it a bit gray. Style would be solid, width would be 5. All right, here we go. Or make it a bit blue. You see this? Here we go. So we got this page ready. And if you want to have this video here, or you want to have a video with the timer, so we have this amazing timer feature, countdown feature. So click on the countdown. You see these amazing designs which we have done for you, and you can use any countdown timer, select it and insert it. Here we go. You can make it smaller, you can make it bigger. That's up to you. That's your call. No fuss. Or you want to have another countdown timer with other features. By the way, you have all those settings, colors and fonts and everything. Background color, countdown color, text color, border settings, shadow, arrange, animation effects, object visibility. So we have all these settings here in the right hand side. But if you don't want it, you can just delete any object from the transform and delete button. You can delete everything. Okay, you want to have one more countdown timer, click on the countdown timer, choose other one. Let's go with this. Click insert, and here we go. One amazing countdown timer with the video on the center. Or you can make it a bit above this, or here. Here we go. Perfect place. So this is your header and with the sales page. Now you want to have a setting for countdown timer. So go to the settings, make it fixed, select date and time. So let's say 20th, 12 p.m. or 12 a.m. You can choose your time or date. Countdown language can be Russian, Ukrainian, German, French, Spanish, Italian. You can choose English. And then you can have a redirect URL if you want to have. Or you just leave it as it is, so it won't be redirected on any other page. Now you want to have countdown timer setting. You can change the settings, the gradient mode, and we'll talk about this gradient mode and other features. But before that, let's save it. It's saving right now, okay, here we go. Now when it's saved, it is saved now. We go to the page, our funnel, this one, funnel.zcar.com, which we have just created. We'll refresh it. And now you see our new template with the countdown timer, with the video on the page, and with the like all these features available. And this is responsive. So you see that for the desktop, for the iPads, and if you wanna just let's test it first. Let's test it for this first. So iPad, we added these two. So now we can just make it a bit slightly changed. We can make it bigger here on iPad. You can choose it. You can make it bigger, and you can just make it a bit longer. And here we go. Here we go. You want to change the position? You can do that. And let's see for the for the phone, and the same thing we can do on the phone. You can change its position. You can make it bigger here like this. You can make it a bit smaller for the phone. Here we go. All good. Save it again. And there are a couple of people who are saying it's adaptive. No, it's not adaptive. It's settings you are doing, but now responsiveness is absolutely responsive, not adaptive. You don't have to refresh the page to see the changes. When you just change your page like this, you see when it goes for the desktop, it would be like this. When you go for the mobile devices, it would be like this. So it's responsive, 100% responsive, and it works pretty good. So you can try it by yourself. You want to change something, if you're getting some trouble or any issue, you can drop us a message, and my team is like ready to help anytime. Let's go to the other features now. What else we have? There are a couple of people who are asking for, okay, I'm not able to manage my steps. All right, let's do that. We are here. This is the opt-in page. So we'll just minimize it. We'll go to the sales page. Right now we don't have any template for the sales page, but we can choose a template by click on this button and choose template button. And let's choose a template. Let's choose this template. I like this template. Team has done an amazing job. I mean, design team is like very, very crazy. They've done an amazing job. Look at the design. It's like beautiful. I love these designs. So now I'm going to go to the builder. Okay, here we go. I'm going to choose this text field is his full name. This is not required, but email is always required. It will be required by default, whether it is selected or not, but it will be required field always. Email will be required field always. And click on this button. You see right now it's a submit form. You can change the button from here. You can change the setting of this button, but you click on mode, you see submit form, you see opt-in, you see hyperlink, you see contact us, and you see pop-up button. What are these other things? We'll talk about them, right? But before that, there's an opt-in. You choose opt-in. Now you choose select leads type. And what is select leads type? So let's say there are two options, xFunnels and xFunnels plus autoresponder. So there can be a scenario where there are a couple of people who don't have an autoresponder, and they have a valid logic that I don't need an autoresponder. I have my own system, and I just need some leads in CSV format. I can import it in my system and I can send them email. But I want to collect leads. So yes, no problem. You don't have to connect your autoresponder. You just choose xFunnels, and xFunnels version 3.0 has this inbuilt feature to collect leads on your behalf. So these leads will be saved in xFunnels dashboard of yours, and you would be able to download those leads as we discussed from here in any format, in CSV, in Excel, in PDF, or you can delete them as well. This data belongs to you. It doesn't belong to us, and we have nothing to do with this. Okay, so this whole data belongs to you. You can choose whatever you want to do, and the redirection of this would be next funnel step, or it can be none, or it can be the URL which you want to use to redirect your people. So let's say next funnel step is the next step of dashboard, that which is next step of opt-in is sales. So it will be redirected to this page. So let's try this. Let's click on the save button. Let's close this. Let's refresh this page. I'm going to enter a name. Name can be Mehdi. Email can be mehdi@madhav@gmail.com. And this is Mehdi demo webinar. So we can see this, click here for instant access. As soon as you click on that, you see your users or the people who are on that page are redirected here on this next step. So this is the next step you selected, which can be your sales page. So you can ask them to buy this product, or buy this product. And if you want to edit this, oh, this is the down sale of, you see, if somebody wants to just close it, so the down sale pop-up will occur. So you want to edit this page, you can come here and click on the edit button like we have been doing for this page. So you can edit it like this. Okay, awesome. So if you want to change these testimonials here, you can do carousel setting and code settings and author setting, and it's like pretty good to do. Add or remove slides, you can click on this and you have these testimonials, which you can change image, you can change the content, and you can change the name of the person, or you can just move them like you can sort them as per your requirement. Perfect. So that's how you can do settings for carousel, this this testimonial. All right, so here we go. So that's how you connect your page with the other page with the steps. So let's see whether we got our lead or not. So refresh it. Now we have 8 entries, if you can see. So the last entry is Mehdi_demo webinar and the email address. Now if I want to download the all file in CSV, I click on CSV and you see the data of the content which we have right now is in the CSV format, and we just opened it and you see the name, the mail, the phone number, the source, the funnel name, all this data has been imported in the CSV format. Now you can import it in your any autoresponder or anywhere you want to import in any page or any software, you can do that. Awesome. So that's how you can connect your sales pages with each other. And now we'll talk about some more features like page builder and model pop-ups. So let's talk about the model pop-up first. Okay, so you click on the model pop-up, and this is the completely new feature in xFunnels version 3.0. We never had this feature earlier. Right now we have these 2 templates. In this week we are going to have 20 plus templates for pop-ups and bars before making it live in production. But right now we have 2 templates. You choose any template, let's say this template, and click on insert. And as soon as you click on insert, you see model is inserted. So this is the modal pop-up, and you can edit it. Edit how? It's very easy. It's like you've been doing it for the page. So this pop-up is visible, and when you added a pop-up here, you see this action in the footer. You see this action. It shows one pop-up has been added, and when you click on this, you see this pop-up has been added. You click on this, it will be disabled. If you want to see the preview or you want to edit it, you click on this and this pop-up will be displayed here. If you want to remove it, you can remove it, or if you want to add one more pop-up, you can add another pop-up and click on insert. And the pop-up has been inserted. Now you have two pop-ups in the system. You can see that. You can click on any pop-up, and if you want to edit it or you want to see the preview of the pop-up, you click on this eye icon, and once it is visible, you can change it, edit it like this. Click on the email. Email will be added. You wanna connect with the opt-in with an autoresponder, right? You can do that, or xFunnels, you can do that. Or you wanna change the content. That's very easy to do this. You wanna change the font settings, like you wanna have a, and we have amazing fonts in this system. You want to have a font like Ubuntu, you can do that. You can make font a bit bolder, and you can increase the size of your font, or you can decrease the size of your font. And all those settings you can do very easily. You want to change the image here, click on this, change image, and you can search, click on stock images, search a workstation image again, and let's go with this image, let me search. And you see one more amazing thing, it has lazy loading. So as soon as you scroll, it keeps adding images, and that's how you keep adding, like you keep seeing millions of images here. That's how it will never end. You can crop it, you can crop it like this, and click on confirm, and you see the image has been replaced here with this. And if you want to change it again, you can do that. If you want to remove it, you can do that. You like it? Isn't it very crazy? You can search another image like this, insert and crop. You can click on confirm, and the image has been added here. And if you wanna change the size of image, or kind of like setting you wanna do, you can do that very easily. That's not the problem at all. Perfect. So you can make it hidden. And if you want to remove this, you can remove it. Click on this, go to transform, click on the delete button, click on this, delete it, and it would be deleted. And model pop-up works pretty good. How it works with the triggers, yeah, I will show you in the next demo how you can actually use it as a trigger. And you see things are not looking like in the center of the page, so you can just select all things together, and you can move it like this, like on the center of the page. You see now we are on the center of the page. Here we go. So that's how you work with multiple elements and pages and all those settings. That's how you make it responsive. That's how you connect page with each other. And I'm sure now you don't have any complaint about builder isn't working or that or blah blah. Okay, just try it, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. Okay. Perfect. Now, what else? What else we have? We have amazing features like page loader settings. So you can choose any page loader. Like I like this page, like this loader personally. So you can set it as a loader. A loader has been saved. You can click on escape. You want to have some SEO settings. You can have your page title, canonical URL, your keywords, meta description, your web icon, and you have page code for header, body, and footer. This is an interesting thing. So let's say you want to add some kind of Google Analytics or Facebook Pixel for tracking your traffic for your like, campaign or something. So you can do that here, and that's very easy. Okay, and next thing is we are making these apps for you. When I'm saying apps, I'm talking about apps like audio player, apps like Facebook comment. So you want to add this here, and you can drag it and make it bigger like this. You can choose an audio from here, and this player will be added. You can add multiple players like this for podcast. If you want to create a page for podcasts, so you can do those pages very easily. And we are adding these plugins for like done for you plugins for our users, like audio player, carousel, menu, contact us, social share, progress bar, Facebook comments, Instagram, blah 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 blah. We'll keep adding here. Okay, this will be keep adding like weekly, monthly, new plugins, new things here. And this is the form builder. So there are a couple of people who posted in a group, your system doesn't have a form builder. I'm sorry, sir, you didn't check this out, because we have an amazing form builder here. So we have text input, passport input, button, buy now button. What is buy now button? We'll talk about it. Text area, checkbox, radio button, and custom HTML here. So if you want to add a kind of a messenger or some kind of bot script or some kind of Vimeo video or Vistia, you can just use custom HTML and you can add it. We have model pop-up as we have discussed already. All right, so this is how it works. This is a builder 3.0. This is the brief demo about this builder. Detailed demo will take a couple of hours, so we have the whole week. We're going to talk about the xFunnels only. Like in this week, we are going to have webinars every day. So tomorrow same time we are going to have a webinar on how to make a profitable funnel. So tomorrow webinar, the people who are going to join, we will give them giveaways. So giveaway would be a done for you whole funnel. The tested funnel which we have used in our Meet Zippy launch, or we have used in our HQ webinar launch or other launches. And that funnel will be provided to you for as a done for you. And some new announcement will be there in tomorrow's webinar. Okay, and some new features will be announced, and some new features, a demo of new features will be given tomorrow. So it would be same time after this webinar ended, gets end. So you'll be redirected to the registration page for the new webinar for tomorrow. So you can join that webinar. I'm going to post the link of this webinar on our Facebook group, so you can join this. So today we discussed about how to create a funnel, how to create steps, how to create a downsell, how to use Builder version 3.0 to make our responsive pages, how to use these templates, how to use preset blocks, how to use model pop-ups, and other stuff. One more amazing feature I'm going to show you, that you have this tiny button here. You can click on this, and if you want to change the complete whole template for like in the real time for this page, you have all the templates here available, and you can just click on any template, select template like this, and this template will be selected for this whole page, and it will ask you to reload. And once it gets reloaded, the page of your step will be changed. And this is like not a undo function. So when you are doing it, it means you are going to lose all the changes which you have done on your page. So make sure use it wisely. So this is the new page for this step, completely new page for this step, which you can actually use now from now onwards. And click on save now button, save now. And when you go to your first tab of funnel.zcart.com, which I have created, you see the new page on this whole step. And you look at the design of templates, man, it's like outstanding. I love these designs. I love these premium, beautifully done templates. All right. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time, guys. I'm here to answer your questions, but what you can do instead of Q&A here, I would suggest you to ask your questions in our Facebook group. So, or I can do a Facebook live just after this webinar, and we can talk about, I can answer your questions there in the Facebook live after this webinar. That makes sense? All right, let's see you in a Facebook live after this. I'll just do the Facebook live for a couple of minutes, and I will answer your questions there. So please join me in the Facebook live in next couple of minutes, okay? And thank you for your time. Thanks for watching or being me here, and I really appreciate your time. Thank you so much. Signing off. Take care, and see you in a Facebook live in a couple of minutes now. Okay, bye bye.